heads or chopped off.
There's no telling.
Well, I'm going to make a bird bath today, and I've asked my sister-in-law to come and do the decorating since she's very good at that. And I'm just going to stir the cement. And I've got a tree branch that I'm going to use as the base to put it in the ground, and we'll show all that in a little bit. But we're just going to get started. I'm going to make the cement. It seems real pasty and dry, and you add one drop, and then it's too watery. Like, that is just incredible how that works.
And it's probably never the same way twice.
No. I just try to get it, well, it's not too thick like peanut butter, but not runny either. Depending on what if I'm putting bricks together, I like a little runnier. Because if it's too thick and chunky, it just doesn't seem like it holds them at all. Oh. That's when I need my Cuisinart.
Or one of those little things.
Do you want to do this part?
It looks like cake.
I know. It's therapeutic. It's a lot of fun.
Need one of the little bent spatulas.
Yeah, I have, but they're tiny. It's. Well,
I meant like the
meant
cake decorating spatula. They're long and narrow.
Well.
And some of them are kind of offset like that.
Press it in real just okay. You can do like a little
wiggle.
Like that. There you go. And they're good.
Boy, it's chunky.
I love these shells. I've been wanting to do something with them. I thought about making a, on one of my little houses, but they're so big. I thought I'd have to make a massive house.
I guess I could put one or two like it there.
Okay.
If I don't like it, then just smooth it back over.
Yeah. It's probably not even. I probably got one side higher than the other, I'm pretty sure.
Well, nothing's perfect. It's part of the joy. At least that's what I tell myself.
I just want it to be functional. I want them to come and have a drink or take a little splash or whatever they want to do.
Even have little high spots they can stand on.
It'll be a while before this comes out of here.